This is a review for the Scrub Mommy sponge. So I purchased this one. This is the dye-free version. We just prefer to use things in our households that have the least amount of dyes and fragrances and all that stuff as possible. So I bought the white color. I love that it's dual-sided. So it's got a rougher sponge on the back that's, it's still gonna be a scratch-free sponge, but it gets all of that hard to clean dirt and debris off of whatever surface you're cleaning, whether it's dishes or it's your sink or your bathtub. And then this side right here is gonna be a little bit softer, but it's such a great item. If you are cleaning dishes, you can slip your spoons or your knives or your forks through the mouth right here, and it really gets those types of items super clean. And then you can run it through the dishwasher as well. So this sponge will last you so much longer than some of those other sponges that are out there on the market. I love that the packaging is an eco packaging on this as well. Overall, such a great item. We love our Scrub Mommy and Scrub Daddy products.